There is something inherently masculine about a great pocket knife. It can create an idea of what to do. It makes you feel that you are ready for anything. Although lots of people don't carry pocket knives every day though. When it doesn't make them any less manly, it does make them less prepared. The most common reason for men to not carry a pocket knife is that they don't like the heft or the awkward way a pocket knife sits in the pocket. The best small EDC knives do a brave job on these issues. They are short in length, lightweight, and relatively thin. They also look less aggressive and threatening than most popular EDC knives on the market today. If you are viewing a small EDC knife that sits at home in the boardroom as it is on the trail, there are 5 options in this guide for you.
Here top of zone, we are a bunch of researchers and testers. We test, analyze, research new products and create our list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, feature and user feedback. We also provide upcoming and innovative product ideas so that viewers may know about new products. Our goal is to create proper shopping guidelines so that our viewers can make proper decisions.
If you are viewing a lightweight, compact and sleek pocket knife for everyday carry, the Bug Knife from Spyderco could fit the bill. The flat ground blade comes from 3CR13 stainless steel with a plain edge blade. This stainless steel knife features chromium to help it resist staining and corrosion. The blade has no curve, clip or drop to speak of. The knife is only 1.63 inches long when closed. With a 1.27-inch blade deployed, it measures 2.90 inches overall, making it extremely compact. Positioned on the end of the handle is a lanyard hole large enough to thread with a chain and be worn around the neck or slipped onto a keychain. It also weighs less than half an ounce, so you'll never notice it in your pocket unless you need to. The Cinder multifunction knife from Kershaw is a uniquely shaped knife with style of its own. This knife provides a ship's foot style blade and a half skeletonized handle as well as a built-in bottle opener. When the knife blade may be unique, it is sturdy and thick, making it a great choice for EDC tasks. The Kershaw Cinder has a 1.5-inch long blade with an overall length of 4.4 inches. It weighs in just under 1 ounce, making it very lightweight and simple to carry. Even this knife comes with a limited warranty for a lifetime. This is a cool and useful little knife. It went right into your pocket for EDC. While you wish a tough, rugged small knife for EDC, the Kershaw Shuffle II is hard to beat. This tough guy has a nylon, glass-filled handle for strength and durability, a sturdy stainless steel tanto blade, and a reversible or removable pocket clip. The Kershaw Shuffle II has a 2.25-inch long blade and measures just over 6.25 inches long when open. Closed, it measures roughly 4 inches long, that brings it to the upper edge of the small EDC pocket knife realm. It weighs about 3 ounces. Generally, all-purpose, it will be used as a small carry knife as an EDC function, hunting, fishing, camping, utility or perfect gift. You can complain about the weight, but it's a confident, inspired little knife. The Boker 111006 Pocket Stack is an awesome choice for guys looking for an heirloom quality pocket knife in a tiny package. Surprisingly, the pocket stack has stack horn handles as well as Boker's own Soligen stainless steel. It's a durable, long-lasting combination that seems incredible. The pocket stack measures just under 4.5 inches while open and has a 2-inch drop point blade. It also has a backlock to keep the blade securely in place. This Boker knife isn't just for cutting, it's for leaving a mark. Even it has a limited lifetime warranty. As a premium knife, the cost could be a concern to some guys. But it doesn't matter because you know to get something good is to give something. The SOG Money Clip pocket knife is a great knife if you are looking to add a knife to your EDC without noticing it's there. The Money Clip pocket knife has a built-in clip to hold your cash, ID, or business cards in place. The Money Clip pocket knife has a 2.75-inch long blade, a 3.38-inch long handle, and overall length of just over 5 inches. It weighs 2 ounces and has a clip point blade. This knife is made from HCl13 MOV stainless steel. In order to grant the Money Clip to blend in seamlessly with the other pocket contents, SOG made it extremely thin. It's great to carry but can be somewhat accustomed.
Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.